Hello everyone, and thanks for joining us again at TOA Electronics. Welcome to the CX1000 series How-To Video Guide, where we'll walk you through the key steps to set up and manage your CX1000 system with ease. Today, we'll proceed with the final step of installing the PC settings software. As indicated on your screen, the installation process consists of three essential steps. In this video, we'll guide you through how to install the CX1000 settings software. Start the setup.exe. The initial installation window will be displayed. If prompted, you must install the .NET Runtime. Please note, the .NET Runtime 6 is highly recommended when installing the CX1000 settings software for the very first time. Proceed past the Welcome screen by clicking the Next button. Carefully check the contents of the license agreement and then choose the I Agree radio button. This action will enable the Next button. Click the Next button to start installing the software. Finally, click the Close button to finalize the installation. The CX1000 software is now successfully installed, and the Settings Software shortcut icon will appear on your desktop. Your next step is to create settings and upload them to the CXSM1000 System Manager. Watch the video titled Creating New Settings for clear step-by-step instructions. Thanks for watching.